Relocating has never been easier with Brown Box Movers. Moving marks an exciting new milestone, but poor planning can turn it into a frustrating ordeal. At Brown Box Movers, we offer excellent moving services at affordable prices, taking pride in each move our team completes. If you seek quality movers who are fast and efficient, look no further. Our experienced residential and commercial movers ensure a smooth transition, whether you're moving around the corner or across the country, relocating your business or decluttering your space. Our licensed, insured, professional movers handle everything from apartment homes, college dorms, and residential homes to commercial offices, single-item moves, and more. We offer competitive pricing and guarantee the best rate. Our 3-step process makes moving simple. Pack and wrap, where we provide extra padding for fragile items. Safe and secure, ensuring licensed and insured transport. And unpack and setup, with furniture unpacking and setup upon delivery. Choosing the right people for your move is crucial to us. Our driven, committed team reflects our company's spirit and dedication to great customer service. Contact Brown Box Movers today to schedule your move and experience a seamless relocation.